Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about switch with expression. Switch can work with expression also. For this we can put expression in cases of switch instead of a constant value. Generally in all the videos that I teach you till now, we pass a constant value in a switch. But in this tutorial we will study how we can pass an expression in cases of a switch, and that expression will generate a unique value. So there are some rule. Expression should return an integer value, not a floating point number, and any expression should not return a duplicate value. Means two cases cannot be duplicate in switch, so two expressions should not return same value while we are working switch with expression. Otherwise switch will raise a problem, because switch is unable to work. So basically two things we have to keep in mind while we are passing expression in cases of switch. Every expression should generate integer value only, not floating point or pointed values. And second thing, no two expression or three expression generate same values, because switch cannot work with duplicate values. So how switch work with expression, we will do a practical on it. For this, first of all, we will take a class and import a package util for scanner class. Class name we can give switch with expression. Here we'll make an object of scanner class will print a message, simple print a message, enter a number from 1 to 5 and read this number. Now we will apply switch on this number, and in all these cases we will pass expression instead of constant value. So for case 1 we will do 4 divided by 2, 2 to the 4, it will generate 2, and will minus 1 from the result, so it will become 1. For case 2 we will say 1 plus 1, it will be 2, into 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2, and into 1 it will become 2. We will take class case 3. We can look here, it will be case 3. Now we'll take one more case, case 4. 2 to the 4 like this. In case of case 5, it will be case 5. Like this we can pass expression in cases. We'll save this program first. My computer C drive JDK 1.7 and bin folder. Open command prompt. Here we forgot to apply colon. Again Ctrl S to save this program, and with the help of up arrow key we'll bring previous command to compile again. Compilation is okay. Now run this code. Now we have to enter a number from 1 to 5. If I enter 2, it will be 2. If I enter 4, it will be 4. For 5, it will be 5. And for 9, it will be wrong choice. So like this we can do this question, switch with expression. The only difference is this: we have to pass here expression instead of constant values. I hope this program will be more clear to you. If you have some problem, you can ask me through comment, and if it is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel to study more topics related to this chapter. Thanks for watching.